What is up, everybody? Welcome to my first video in a really long time. Sorry I haven't posted in a while, but it's a new year and I'm going to be posting a lot more frequently. As you can see by the parts in front of me and the title and thumbnail, I'm going to be building my first ever computer. And let's just get started. For the components of the computer, I chose the Ryzen 5 3600 for the CPU. It has 3.6 gigahertz, but I will be boosting it up to 4.2 gigahertz with overclocking. It has 6 cores and 12 threads, and it's a pretty nice CPU. The core that I'm going to be cooling it with is the Vitro V5 white core. It's pretty cheap and should be able to overclock it pretty nicely. For the motherboard, I chose the MSI B550 Mag Mortar Wi-Fi. For the RAM, I chose the Warhawk Platinum Special Edition. I'm not even going to try to pronounce the name of that brand. For the GPU, I have a GeForce GTX 970. Not the best in the world, but the GTX 970 will be plenty for my needs. Alright guys, quick editor's note. If the card looks a little bit dusty, that's because I bought it used. Every other part in the system is bought brand new on either Amazon or Newegg, so just wanted to say that real quick. Back to the video. For the case, I chose a Dark Flash DLM full mesh front panel, so it should have some good airflow. And I stuck a 6-pack of cheap Up Here Chinese RGB fans, and they were extremely cheap, and I wasn't about to spend like a bunch of money on some Corsair ones that are overpriced. But yeah, they do the job. I chose a 650 watt bronze certified Seasonic power supply. For storage, I put in a 1TB M.2 Gen 4 SSD from Sabrent. So those are all of the parts, so let's get right into building. Alright guys, we just finished the PC. It's looking beautiful and nice. It does work. Tested it. Oh shoot, we're in Windows. Let's just straight up drag Microsoft Edge to the garbage bin. Alright guys, so I'm gonna overclock this real quick and then I'll get into the benchmarks. Alright guys, so for the benchmarks, I could not get MSI Afterburner running for Rocket League or Fortnite. Sorry about that. If you don't know what MSI Afterburner is, it's basically an FPS counter you see in the top left on Valorant. Sorry about that, but yeah, let's get into the benchmarks. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.